Hello and welcome to Shero Playlists News. Multan Studio. This is Pakistan YouTube channel. My name is Catherine. Let's start headline. News number 2. Nawaz Sharif has benefited from sitting in London. God knows how many expensive things the person bought a newspaper. Yesterday Daily Mail apologized to Shahbaz Sharif after 3 years. And there is a doubt that if this news was false, they would have apologized at the same time. They say that neither the old nor the new will be accepted. It is to be clear. Daily Mail has apologized to Shahbaz Sharif for a single charge. The rest is standing. Now it can also be said, as many excuses as the setting. More detail 12.109:24 a.m. Daily Mail took 3 years, 9 extensions to file defense in PM Shahbaz defamation case before apology. Court papers show Daily Mail didn't defend a single word of its allegations related to corruption of money laundering. London, Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif has scored a huge defamation victory at the London High Court against Associated Newspapers Ltd, publishers of Daily Mail and Mail on Sunday, over an article published by reporter David Rose. The court records show that the newspaper took 9 extensions to file a defense in support of its story, which was published on the basis that the paper and the reporter have all the evidence already in their possession. When Daily Mail and Mail on Sunday published the article on July 19, 2019, they claimed they were publishing the article based on complete evidence of corruption. However, later on, the paper told the court it was looking for evidence and needed time to find and file the evidence to prove PM Shahbaz and his son-in-law Imran Ali Yusuf stole the money of British taxpayers from the Department for International Development, DFID, aid sent to Pakistan in 2006 to help victims of the devastating earthquake. Court papers show that Daily Mail delayed the filing of its defense for over a year, citing the security situation in Pakistan and the inability of its team to travel to Pakistan due to COVID-19 restrictions. It was around the time when courts and officers were functioning through online means and obtaining material from Pakistan through the Assets Recovery Unit, ARU, was not a problem, as it was the ARU, headed by Shahzad Akbar, that was behind the original article in papers published by the ANL. PM Shahbaz won an early victory in February 2021. When Justice Matthew Nicklin ruled that David Rose's Mail on Sunday's article carried the highest level of defamatory meaning for both PM Shahbaz and Yusuf. Court papers show that it took Daily Mail nearly 3 years to file a defense of Rose's article. The defense was filed in February 2022, and when the defense was served in the same month, the Daily Mail made it clear it didn't seek to defend the DFID allegations, for which the Daily Mail has now apologized and deleted the whole article. This was in marked contrast to the position Daily Mail had taken since the article was published nearly 3 years ago in July 2019. Here is a full timeline of what happened in the case that dominated Pakistani politics for over 4 years. Daily Mail's 9 extensions. The first order given by Master Thornet that extended the time for Daily Mail to submit its defense was on May 21, 2021. Later, the orders were given on 8 other dates: July 14, 2021, August 2, Sept 21, October 5, November 25, February 2, 2022, February 22 and March 8, 2022. Article publication. Daily Mail published: Did the family of Pakistani politician who has become the poster boy for British overseas aid steal funds meant for earthquake victims? Asks David Rose on 13 and 14 July 2019 when the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) was in power. Premier Shahbaz's claim. PM Shahbaz issued a claim against Associated Newspapers Ltd through Carter Ruck on January 1, 2022, and held a press conference at the firm's office with his lawyers. PM Shahbaz vowed he would take the paper to the court and will win an apology, as he also sought the withdrawal of all allegations. The acknowledgement of service was filed on February 17, 2020, at the court. The court orders. Justice Nicklin gave the first order on April 20, 2020, for the listing hearing window on April 21, 2020, to July 31, 2020. Justice Nicklin gave the second order on May 7, 2020, extending deadlines. The Justice gave the first order on October 20, 2020, joining the claims of PM Shahbaz and his son-in-law Yusuf. Justice Nicklin gave another order on January 28, 2021, regarding the preliminary issue trial. He gave a judgment and order on February 5, 2021. The judge ruled at the meeting hearing at the London High Court in favour of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, PMLN, President Shahbaz and his son-in-law. Justice Nicklin ruled that Mail on Sunday's article carried the highest level of defamatory meaning for both Shahbaz and Yusuf. He gave the order on February 18, 2021, regarding various deadlines. The Daily Mail filed the defense on March 15, 2022. Master Thornet gave the order for filing the defense on March 17, 2022. He then gave the orders for extending the time of filing the defense on June 23 and September 20, 2022. After March 2022, Daily Mail and PM Shahbaz entered into negotiations to settle the case, and it became clear to the Premier's legal team that Mail newspaper will apologise and remove the article on his terms. Justice Nicklin gave an order on September 26, 2022, and set a joint case management conference listed for November 9. It was 3 days before this hearing that PM Shahbaz made a tactical move and withdrew his stay application in favor of a full trial. The court, as per rules, was not informed that Daily Mail's lawyers have been in negotiations with PM Shahbaz's lawyers for several months behind the scenes, offering to apologize. The Prime Minister was advised by his legal team that there was no point in filing further documents as the paper had already agreed to apologize and remove the defamatory and false article. Daily Mail apology and removal of article. Daily Mail publishers and PM Shahbaz's lawyers signed an agreement of settlement with Tomlin Order in the second week of December 2022, after which Daily Mail removed the defamatory article and apologized to the Prime Minister and his son-in-law. The ANL has promised it will never repeat these false allegations at any forum and has already worked with Google to remove all articles carrying Daily Mail's article.